I'll get you up and going out of bed.